Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're checking out the 88 Honda CRX, both the Mainline and the Super Treasure Hunt. So big thumbs up if you enjoy the video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now let's check out the Mainline first. It is actually pretty cool. You can see here it's just dressed in white with those racing decals on the side, a big red and blue stripe, the number 20, and the Honda logo. Now this is part of the Honda series for 2020. It's car 5 of 5. See lightly tinted windows, a white plastic base. Those gold chrome lace wheels are very nice, or wire spoke wheels, whichever way you like to call them. But I think the gold wheels on this car looks pretty nice. And you can see the CRX Tampo on the rear. We've got the lights on the rear. We've got the Honda symbol on the rear. Very, very nicely detailed for a mainline car. And that black interior looks pretty cool. And if you look in close enough, you can see the white base. Alright, now let's check out the Super Treasure Hunt version of that 88 Honda CRX. Again, car 5 of 5 from the Honda series. Now the tampos on the side are the same, a little color variation there. We've got that big black stripe instead of a big blue stripe. The wheels on this one are different. These are mini classic 4-spoke wheels and they're in red. I don't actually like the wheels on this one. The red is just way too big and bold for me. It looks really, really plasticky, which just detracts from the car. Otherwise, it's exactly the same. White base, tinted windows, black interior, all the same decals on the rear, the lights, the CRX, the Honda symbol. But we can see here on the side that 25th TH there for the 25th anniversary of Treasure Hunts for Hot Wheels. So that is how you can identify this one as the Super Treasure Hunt. Also, that paint is Spectra Flame White. Let's line these two up together, the Mainline there and the Super Treasure Hunt. Now let's just take a look at them together. They look very, very similar, but again, the wheels are definitely two standing out on that Super Treasure Hunt for me. I really, really like those gold lace wheels on the Mainline. I think that car looks perfect. If we had a sort of gold wheel on the Super Treasure Hunt, maybe would look really nice. Again, I think because we're using white and that Spectra Flame in white, it just doesn't really scream Super Treasure Hunt car to me. It just doesn't look too different from the Mainline to go, hey, look, this car is special. You can sort of see the shimmer there in the light from that Spectra Flame paint versus the regular white paint, but it's just not enough to go, hey, this car is pretty cool. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Which is your pick of the two? Is it the Mainline or is it the Super Treasure Hunt? For me, it's definitely the Mainline car. All right, everyone, big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.